Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 31st of January 2022. So today is the eve of Chinese New Year, not yesterday. I kind of thought yesterday was the eve of Chinese New Year. You know because I don't, nowadays, right, every day I'm staying, almost like staying at home, right, so I don't track the holiday so much. But nonetheless, Happy Chinese New Year and 恭喜发财. Okay, have a wonderful this New Year Eve dinner, and also don't forget, okay, stay safe. Okay, stay safe. Because the COVID is going higher. So protect yourself. So let's check out the calendar first. Oh yeah, before we start, don't forget subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Support the channel. Let's check out the introduction. Today, market got some rebound. Interesting rebound. Okay, let's check out shortly. Introduction first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out what's going on in the market first. Today's sentiment is 52, now it's 1154. Gainers 382, losers 353. So not bad. The market still got some volume coming. So there's still some interested, some in trading in Monday, Chinese New Year Eve, 889 million, 0.74 points up, 0.05% up, 1520. Okay. So let's check out consumer today dropped 0.15 in the morning, industry up 0.43, construction up 0.41, technology some rebound. As I said, right, technology wait for a while. There is possibility of a small rebound, okay, to recover. Wait for a while. Finance 0.13 down, property 0.16 down, plantation 0.8. Plantation dropped quite a lot. RET 0.54 up, energy today up again, 1.28, 1.25. Healthcare 1.04 rebound, telecommunication 0.41, transportation up 0.41 up, transportation 0.22 up, utilities 0.26 down. Okay, let's check out today KLCI, see how's the chart. Okay, so minor movement, so positive. Okay, minor movement, positives. Possibly it can still go up a bit. As I said, right, this is a neckline. Normally it will come back to test the neckline and see what happened. The neckline goes through, means good for us. It comes down, also good for us. Why good for us? If it comes down, right, okay, means the stock is going to be cheaper for us to buy next time. Okay, okay, let's check out the top gainers today. Okay, PMBTECH, we take a look. MPI, minor gain. Okay, MPI already top many days. So HARTA, we want to take a look. VITROX, we want to take a look. 2.85, 2.8 up. HARTA. TAAN also quite high. TAAN. CHHB, hold on, let me see. Okay, CHHB, want to take a look at this one, Goring stock. Looks like Goring very a lot. UWC, HENGYUAN, yes, take a look. Tech, take a look. MGRC, this one already finished Goring. This one very dangerous. Go in MGRC, Petron. Pay up a bit of feet, all talk already. This one, all discussed already. UNISEM. PERTAMA, today big gain. PERTAMA, later we take a look at PERTAMA. Me also up a bit. This one UMSNGB. Okay, this one still very big downtrend. Okay, so that's the few that we want to talk about. PERTAMA, CHHB, PMBTECH VITROX UWC, HARTA, Greatech, DNO, HENGYUAN, maybe UNISEM. And maybe me take a look, take a look. Okay, so let's take a quick look at PERTAMA. Oh, PERTAMA straight away hit target already. Wow, look at that. Chinese New Year ang pao. Okay, we talk a lot of breakout over here. We talk a lot of breakout over here. This one can go in because of the digital money. They're doing the digital bank. Looks like they're getting the digital bank. So this one continue to hold, see how far it can go. Okay, as long as the red candle is small, okay, green candle is big, continue to hold. If you see the green candle, the red candle become bigger than the green candle, then be careful. But this one, I think most likely already over. So maybe still can fly. We don't know because it's still goring. The market is still trying to goring this. Okay, continue to hold a few more days, see what happen. Okay, if it started to turn around because there is a resistance over here. Let me see here. Here there is resistance. Then the next resistance is here. Okay, if you can go through this one, if you can go through, then maybe you can even reach here. 0.9. Okay, so the next target will be 0.9. So this one hold on a while, see how far they want to go. Looks like this PERTAMA is looks like getting the digital license ready. This like this. Maybe got other news. I'm not. Just continue hold a few more days and see. Or you want to take half profit also can. Okay, maybe take half profit also can. Or wait for another day See what happens first. Then if the next day starting to drop a bit more, then maybe you take a half profit. So ang pa money already get country high. CHHB country high is bit just too volatile to trade This one scary Really break out, really big drop. Now I think this one this rebound is for opportunity to run. I don't think can get another goring after this. Another big goring. I think opportunity to run this rebound. If you haven't out yet, maybe this one opportunity to run. Opportunity to buy in, maybe can but I'm not very confident this one. Because looking at the chart. PMBTECH. So Chinese New Year ang pao. Okay, so we managed to catch this one. PERTAMA. Also we managed to catch this one. PMBTECH. PMBTECH going up again. So it already went through 14.4 resistance. Hopefully it can go a bit more to my target 15.95. Okay, so this one continue to hold. Still looks good. Okay, if you see the red candle bigger than the green candle, then you have to be careful already. Or many red candle coming, then you have to be careful already. Okay, so this one still looks very good. So got New Year ang pao already. So take a look at technology anomalous. Okay, trying to rebound. So all the technology trying to rebound. DNO trying to rebound. So hold for a few more days. Okay, hopefully it can rebound a bit higher. Okay, if you guys want to exit, then it's a chance for you to exit. Franken, Franken not so much. Franken not yet rebound. Greatech. Okay, see Greatech starting to slowly rebound. Hopefully after Chinese New Year it can go higher. Inari, also Inari not so a little bit. Who else? Take a quick look. Me, you see bigger candle, bigger green candle. So all trying to rebound. Trying to rebound. UNISEM and HENGYUAN. UNISEM. Okay, also trying. This one UWC trying. Hopefully can go a bit higher. So you guys maybe got chance to run. And HENGYUAN, one more. Take a look at HENGYUAN. Okay, HENGYUAN, you got a big pin buy here. I think not that far. It can go higher, but not that far. I don't see that it can move a bit higher because oil price already at the top already. I think around 90 is at the top. Very difficult to go higher anymore. HENGYUAN, if you haven't go in, I don't think it's a very good chance to go in. Best is with Armada and this hibiscus is a better one. Hibiscus still fly today. Hibiscus and Armada still fly. Okay, continue hold a few more days, see how. Continue to hold a few more days, see how. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Happy Chinese New Year. Possible during Chinese New Year, I'll do some. I also will do some homework, and also will come up with some videos. So remember to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, maybe you might miss out with my video. So remember to subscribe. Okay, like, share, and comment. Okay, Happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财. Bye bye.